you guys. So I am going to do a little bit different of a video. I am going to personalize one of the products that is on page 11 of the catalog. So this is the gray and brown page, and right here we've got our statement canvas shopper, and it's one of the items that you can personalize with photo. So let me show you. I'm just gonna turn my camera here and hope that this all works out just fine. Okay, so here's the statement canvas shopper on my website. So if you try to personalize the black one, we'll see right here, you notice that it's not on sale 30% off like the other one. And I will just show you. Under personalization, choose, and then you only have these black and white options, which are beautiful, and I love this. And an advantage of the black is that it's going to be a little bit more, or I mean less likely to pick up a stain or something like that. But the advantage of the statement canvas natural is that you can personalize it with photo. So also 30% off in the summer sale. So let's personalize. I'll show you what you can do. So first of all, choose personalization, and there are a ton more different types of personalizations, and these designs are just wonderful and gorgeous. So for example, this bee here is a print design that you can only get on the statement canvas. So you can also choose to add text, and it will add a little bit to the price, but then you can say something awesome like save me, and I can add another line. From the murder hornets. Just being silly. Oh no. Okay. There's a limit there. From murder hornets. There you go. Save me from murder hornets. Ha ha ha. Okay, but if I, of course I'm not going to print that. But they have some photo options, lots of different photo options. So I'm going to choose the pet one, the paw print. There's a cat one right there with a cat silhouette, and then there's paw print silhouette. So in any of your photo personalizations, you hit upload photo. Oh my gosh, was there a period of time in my life when I didn't have a dog? It doesn't feel that way. Okay, this isn't the perfect picture, but it was there. Okay, so it says image resized. Okay. Oh, he's licking his nose. So I can decide to go in more and maybe cut off a little bit of that box, a little more of that box if I want to. I hit finish. You can hear me, I'm drinking tea. I'm always drinking tea. I try to drink tea in the evening so I can cut down on how many snacks I want to have. So I'm having my ginger probiotic tea from the famous herbal tea company. I don't know if you're allowed to say names. Okay, look at that, my little buddy. He was like probably just a couple months old in that picture. Okay, so then I want to put Riggs here, and I might choose a different color for that. Maybe, oh, that's so cute. I think there's a navy. Yep. Not enough contrast. Maybe I'll go with red, because he's got this green bed here, and red and green are good contrasting colors. Oh, but it changes the paw prints. How about brown? So I want my words down below to match, so I'm going to put those in brown also. And then, like, this is cute, adopted August 2012, that's really cute, but I'm going to put I work so he can have a good life. There you go. So that's a photo option. So then you save and add to cart, and then you say, I own the rights to this photo. I mean, if that's the truth. And I've reviewed my product and accept the terms and conditions. So for example, if you want to make a bag that has like the Green Bay Packers insignia on it, you know, you don't own the rights to that, and you really shouldn't be doing that. And they probably might at the factory be like, oops, no, and kick that back to you. So, but most people use pictures that are like theirs, but you can find like a design or use your child's art is another really awesome way to use the statement canvas. So that is the statement canvas shopper. 30% off and a really good gift giving idea. Like right now is a great time to start building up that gift closet. I have sort of this gift closet type area because I hate that feeling of getting around to November and you're like, oh, Christmas is next month. I don't have anything for anyone. Or birthdays. It's like, oh no, their birthday's next week. I can't like order something and have it on time. Ugh. So I like to get things when I see them. And so like, you know, now that these things are on sale, like why not order grandparent gifts? Like we've got, right now there's plenty of time, you know, if you order in the next week or so for like a Father's Day gift, not that a father necessarily wants a bag with a picture on it, but birthdays, summer birthdays, there's maybe thank you gifts for teachers. There's still time to get things in time to, you know, for saying goodbye to your teachers. You drop it off at school and they'll be able to get it. School, oh, but also like, you know, getting things ready for the fall. There are fall birthdays. There are your kids' new teachers. And there's just always there's weddings and baby showers, and there's just always gift-giving things popping up, and like, you know, it's really nice to be ready for that. So that's another idea for the Statement Canvas Mini Shopper. I'm going to post a video in a little bit about some of these other items. This page, I don't have a ton of these items, and so I'm using the internet and the powers of Zoom to make my next video about some of the items that I don't have on this page. So, and so I'm going to feature how to personalize because this might be something you have to figure out. So I was showing you some options. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to blend or pop with something like this beautiful caramel charm colored boutique backpack. So really great items on this page. 60% off on the street style in 3 colors, lime pink and putty snake, which is a gray snake print. It's really cool. Thank you for your patience with my videos this week. It's been really technically challenging. So thank you. Thank you for watching them at all. So you guys have a great night. I'll talk to you. Bye.